GnuCash, as many in the accounting world know, is a powerful and free desktop-based accounting software. It's renowned for its robust double-entry accounting system, its ability to handle various types of accounts, bank, stock, income, expense, and its comprehensive reporting features. It's a popular choice for individuals and small businesses who prefer to keep their financial data offline and have a good grasp of accounting principles. However, in our increasingly mobile world, the question often arises, does GnuCash have an app? People want to manage their finances on the go, record transactions immediately, and access their financial data from their smartphones or tablets. As an accounting software expert, I can clarify this common query. The short answer is yes, there are mobile applications associated with GnuCash, but it's important to understand their nature. They are generally companion apps designed to facilitate data entry on the go, rather than full-fledged, standalone versions of the desktop software that offer complete synchronization and all the advanced features. Let's delve into the details. GnuCash for Android, GnuCash Pocket. For Android users, there is a well-known companion app often referred to as GnuCash Pocket or simply GnuCash for Android. This app has been developed independently by volunteers and is available on the Google Play Store. Key features of GnuCash for Android. Transaction entry. Its primary purpose is to allow users to quickly record transactions as they happen. This is incredibly useful for capturing expenses on the spot, preventing you from forgetting details later. Double entry support. It adheres to the double entry accounting principle, meaning that when you enter a transaction, it affects both a debit and a credit account, ensuring your books balance. Account hierarchy. You can import your existing account hierarchy from your desktop GnuCash file, making it easy to categorize transactions correctly. Split transactions. The app supports split transactions, allowing you to categorize a single expense across multiple accounts, e.g., a supermarket bill split into groceries and household items. Scheduled transactions. You can set up recurring transactions, which helps with budgeting and remembering regular payments. Basic reports. It offers some basic reports, such as summaries of income and expenses, often displayed as charts. Export functionality. Crucially, the Android app allows you to export your recorded transactions in various formats, including GnuCash XML, QIF, OFX, or CSV. This is how you get your mobile data into your main desktop GnuCash file. Cloud sync options. It has experimented with and includes options for scheduled exports to third-party cloud services like Dropbox and Google Drive, which can then be picked up by your desktop GnuCash. GnuCash Mobile for iOS. For Apple users, iPhone and iPad, there is also a GnuCash mobile app available on the App Store. Similar to the Android version, this is also developed by third parties and is primarily designed as a companion for the desktop software. Key features of GnuCash Mobile iOS. Transaction recording. Like its Android counterpart, its main function is for on-the-go transaction entry. Double entry compatibility. It supports double entry principles, ensuring consistent data. Account import, export. You can import your account tree from your desktop GnuCash and then export transactions for import back into the desktop version. Simplified interface. It aims for a straightforward interface to make quick data entry easy. Important considerations and limitations. While these mobile apps are very useful for certain aspects of financial management, it's vital to understand their limitations. No full synchronization. This is the most significant point. The mobile apps are not designed for real-time, two-way synchronization with your main GnuCash desktop file. You cannot simply open your desktop GnuCash file directly on the mobile app and have everything update seamlessly. The workflow involves exporting data from the app and then importing it into your desktop GnuCash. This means you need to be diligent about regularly transferring data to keep your main file up to date. Companion apps, not standalone. They are built to complement the desktop version, not replace it. You won't find the full suite of advanced features, detailed reporting, reconciliation tools, or complex small business accounting modules, like invoicing, accounts payable, etc., that are present in the desktop software. Their focus is on convenient data capture. Independent development. These mobile apps are developed by the GnuCash community or independent developers, not directly by the core GnuCash desktop project team. While generally well-maintained, their development cycles and feature sets may not perfectly align with the desktop version. No direct online banking feeds. Unlike some modern cloud-based accounting solutions, the GnuCash mobile apps typically do not offer direct bank feeds for automatic transaction import. You'll still rely on manual entry or importing statements into the desktop version. User experience varies. As with any open source or independently developed application, the user interface and overall experience can vary between versions and platforms. While efforts are made for ease of use, they might not be as polished or intuitive as some commercial alternatives.